Welcome to Mandarin with Lily, a YouTube channel where you can learn and improve your Mandarin. Eventually, you'll be speaking Mandarin just like a native. In today's video, we will take a look at a few prepositional phrases. Prepositions are very versatile words. The common prepositions, which you are very familiar with, are words like 在, 向, 给, and 从, etc. They are used before nouns to form prepositional phrases indicating time, place, direction, or object, etc. The three prepositional phrases we'll be looking at today are 在, 上, 在, 中, and 在, 下. First, let's have a look at one example. 我在沙发上坐着看报纸. I'm sitting on the sofa and reading the newspaper. 在, 上 means on, in, or at in English. The things that go between are nouns, indicating concrete things most of the time, like in the previous sentence, 在沙发上. However, some abstract nouns or verbs, which indicate a certain scope or aspect, are also often inserted in between. 政府在原则上同意了这个计划. The government agreed to the plan in principle. 小李近来在学习上有很大进步. 小李 has made great progress in his studies recently. 在中 means among in English. 在所有的老师中，我最喜欢王老师。Among all the teachers, I like teacher Wang the most. 在中 can also indicate an action in progress. 在学习中，我们又发现了新问题。During the study, we discovered new problems. You might have noticed, in the previous example, we used 在学习上. Here, we use 在学习中. So what's the difference between the two? 在学习中 emphasizes the progressive and the continuous aspect of study. 在学习上 it emphasizes the aspect or scope of study. So the two phrases focus on different aspects of study. Hope that makes sense. 在下 means below in English. The nouns used in this structure mostly indicate a concrete place or location. 他们在楼下等我. They are waiting for me downstairs. How about the two phrases below? 在现在的情况下，在我们的努力下. Do you know what they mean? You can find the answer in my own online course. Feel free to get in touch if you are interested. Simply send an email to info@mandarinwithlily.com. With the three prepositional phrases we have covered today, I recommend you to treat them as fixed expressions and start to use them in real conversations. Little by little, you'll be using them just like native speakers. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.